Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade in Rise of Kingdoms. To begin, always prioritize upgrading your city hall first. This unlocks crucial new buildings and expands your city's capabilities. Next, focus on gathering the necessary resources like food, wood, stone, and gold. These are fundamental for every upgrade you undertake. Finally, make sure to complete quests and events regularly to earn valuable speed-ups and materials. Before you initiate any upgrade, always double-check your resource reserves. Running out mid-upgrade can be frustrating. Also, remember that many buildings have prerequisites. You might need to upgrade another structure first to a specific level. To keep your resources flowing, consistently upgrade your production buildings and send your commanders to gather from resource spots on the world map. Speed-up items are your best friend for efficient upgrading. Use them wisely to instantly finish construction or drastically cut down waiting times. Don't forget the Academy. Prioritizing research there can significantly boost your building speed and resource production rates. Furthermore, joining an active alliance is crucial. Your alliance members can provide valuable help, reducing your building and research timers, making progress much faster. Your commanders play a vital role in upgrading. Level them up and assign them to gather resources. Their skills can dramatically increase your collection speed. Actively participating in alliance wars and other in-game events also provides excellent opportunities to earn experience and valuable upgrade rewards. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.